how to make a group on Snapchat the best way. Hey guys, today I will be showing you how you can create your own Snapchat group. So to get started, all you're going to do is you're going to open up your Snapchat application over here. And once you click on your application, you can just simply click on the left button on the bottom over here, and this will open up your friend circle. So from over here, what you're going to actually do is you're going to click on this blue button on the bottom right of your screen. So you can see this blue button over here. You're just going to click on that. So the bottom right blue button, you're going to click on this. And once you have clicked on this bottom button over here, you can just click on new group over here and enter a group name. So we're just going to enter the group names. And once you have entered the name, you can begin adding the people that you want. And you can just click on over here to enter all of your friends. So whatever people that you might want to add, you can begin adding them like so. And once you do that, you can click on chat with group. And then the people that haven't added you back won't be able to actually get an invite to the group. You will actually have to only be able to add the people that are actually present within your friend list. So you're going to actually have to wait for people to accept you as a friend, but you can just click on over here to begin adding your friends. So you can just add any people that are present within your group already. So you can see over here, we can have this person added as a simple friend over here. And just like that, you can create more groups. Another way to create groups is to go into your camera. And when you go into your camera, you can take a snap and then you can click on send to over here. And once you click on send to, you can also choose the button on the top right over here. So you can create a group over here to start sending streaks. So let's say we want this to be sample. And then you can scroll down and enter any people that you might want. And just like that, you can click on over here. And now you can see the sample group has been created with these team members. So that was it for today. I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you in the next video.